This is Daniel Rudy Rudiger. You may know him as a Notre Dame football player, a motivational speaker, or the inspiration for the 1993 film Rudy. Rudy is not having a good time at the game.
You're straight. Vegas! I'm gonna have to leave. I can't handle you. See you later, Elvis. Come on! Come on!
Sir,
Whoa,
I'm sorry.
What's wrong?
You can't go down to the seat until I see your
Why
ticket.
can't he?
Until I see a ticket, I can't let you go down.
I have a ticket. It's up. Wait, but you could be more flexible with a guy like me.
LuvSeats is a marketplace and a mobile app for fans to check into events, buy and sell seats in real time during events. This means fans can leave early, post their seats, and other fans already in the venue can buy them and move legitimately.
I'm an old guy.
I'm older than you are.